How to find personal information settings on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find personal information settings on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite and here just click these three lines in the top corner, and after you click on it just go down until you find settings, and now just here you will find it, personal and account information. Click on it, and as you see here you can manage it. And that's how to find personal information settings on Facebook Lite. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. See you in the next video.